Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you to reset your Twitter password. First, click on browser, go to twitter.com, log in your email, click on forget password, click on search, then after click on continue. Here you can see we have sent an email to your Gmail. Click the link in the email and reset your password. So go to your email, here you can see a reset password. Click on reset password. You are redirected to reset your password. Type a strong password. Confirm your password. Click on submit. Click on continue to Twitter. Now here Twitter password is successfully reset. Subscribe our channel.